this video, we're going to take a look at setting up external links in an Access database, specifically external links to a photograph corresponding to each record in a table. Why would we want to do this? Well, we could, if say we wanted to wind up with a form that contained a picture corresponding to each record that we were examining in the database, we could just embed it. In other words, we could just store the picture in the Access database. We run into size limitations though. Maximum size that a local Access database can be is 2 gigabytes. And of course, if we're working with image documents, image files, we're gonna run up against that limit pretty quick probably. Also, when we want to expand or scale or attach an Access database, it's a lot easier if the associated image files are in a separate folder. So there's a few reasons we might want to use this linking method, and we're going to take a look at how to accomplish that. So first of all, I've just created a very simple little database with one form and one underlying table, some employee records for a very small organization here. So here's my underlying data table with just the information you would expect to see. My form, of course, just based on top of that. So the first thing I need to do is insert a field in my underlying table that's going to contain the path to the photo data. So I'm going to go into Design View. First, I'm going to close my form, and I'm going to go into Design View, and I'm going to insert a row. I'm going to create a new field. I'm going to call it Photo. Short text for data type, and description, path to photo. Now, meanwhile, I've created a folder in my subfolder, my documents folder, just called it PicLink, and I've inserted the employee photographs that I want to use here. So I'm just to be lazy, I'm going to copy this path. I'm going to slide into Datasheet View, and in my photo path I'm going to paste the path to the folder, and then just enter the name of the individual image. In this case, we'll make him a kangaroo. Make him the wallaby, and so on. Okay. Now we need to insert an image on the form and tie it to this field in the underlying table. So we'll open our form, open it in Design View, and insert an image. Use the wizard to place it. Now, it's prompting me for a single image file, but what I'm going to do in the image properties over here, I'm going to change the control source to that field in the underlying table. So I'm going to navigate over to the table in my database. The particular table, there's only one. The field is photo. Okay, so I've placed my image on the form in Design View here. A few things to check. Obviously, I want to set it to, in the property sheet, I want to make sure that it's visible, so I set the property visible to yes. Picture type, embedded. Picture property, none, because I don't want a particular one to go in for all the instances of this form. I want it to be driven by the property on this next tab over here, which is control source. So this is the property that's going to tell the form in effect to go look in the table of employees, and whatever appears in the path specified in the field photo, that's what's going to appear in the image control when I am using it live, when I'm using it in form view. Let's take a look at what the expression builder returns here when I open it up. I just need to enter the field name, and the form control will pick up where that file path is stored. So that should be all I need. Let's take a look in form view and see if that's happening. Yes, indeed. So Reed's picture is appearing, and Tim, and John, and Kirk, and me. So we're all in there. So that, in short, is how to link images to a form in Access. Hope you found this useful. Thanks very much.